133. Mr. Martes Cartera and Miss Rose Usop if this is your last.
Going to Cebu.
For flight 5J551, bound for Mactan, Cebu.
Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for descent, your cabin crew will now collect all items for disposal.
Video naman, video, official photographer. Thank you, thank you. Note 15. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Batch 1, batch 1. Let's go. Aga-aga, kagad nakita ko. Oh my God. Shucks, grabe. Smooth.
For your itinerary today, so we'll be doing your early lunch in Sholem Restaurant.
Yo.
So we'll
Sholem! 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 Saan tayo po? Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Oh. Iyon, no? Yun. Sweet and sour fish. Uy, bistek Tagalog, panalo. Pork humba at seafood. Chenes, panalo. May lechon? Walang lechon. Okay, may pansit. Pansit Mami. Classic.
May pansit ka pala dito, Pam.
Chop suey. Ayan. At merong mga juices.
Ano nga ba siya sa Lord? Malalaman. Ano ba siya? Patuwi. Yan? Harbinger.
Lapu-lapu.
Shane Seweldy.
Nagbasa ng briefing guys.
Hindi ako makakarinig siya.
Ay, abang nila.
Kasi wala pa.
Maraming tao. Kasi yo, may opening. Woo! Woo! Great to be back here sa Bobit Pig! Wow! Oh my God, ang ganda ng kwarto. Wow, wow, wee! Wow, what's this? Wow! Wow! May sunglasses. Wow! 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 Wow, 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 wow. Wow! Grabe. Complimentary yung mango daw. Hindi binalitan. Okay. Thank you.
Sa natin, isi-show you kung anong ganap dito.
Ay, may vlogger.
Inside,
May vlogger.
patanggal.
Vlogger yan, vlogger.
Brute force ko na ba ito?
Vlogger, oh.
Brute force it is.
May vlogger. Ito ba?
Coffee oh, Patanggenyo.
Akala ko ba chocolate ano? Chocolate hour.
Ito siya.
Chocolate hour. Oh my God. Oy.
Yes, yun ko yung may vlogger ka?
Mamaya.
Chocolate hour. So this is the chocolate hour. And that's the white chocolate.
Sana umulan.
Hindi mo naabot yung bagyo sa...
Swimming kayo? Swimming tayo. Mag-swimming ah.
Mamaya, after na.
Usually, paghapon yung umulan.
Diba?
Enjoy nyo lang yan.
Nag-meeting.
Pwede naman kumain. May gabot ka naman eh. Oh. Bala ka. Basta ako.
Bawal ba?
Kain
Bawal
ako.
sa'yo? Tawas ko sa kumain. Wala. Nandito si Gusten. Hindi yung white stuff. Meron ako. Ganito lang meron ako. Meron na kami. Dala ko.
Wow, ang tapaw ng kape nila.
Yung Movenpick sa Bactan. Meron pa sila mga...
Oh, okay. Sayang walang araw. Dati kasi dyan, may restaurant dyan. Na may mga lobster, parang ano siya, para siyang wharf na ano, na restaurant. Walang game room. Walang video game?
Xbox.
Ah, meron? Ah.
Bakit kailangan lasing? Triplete.
Alright, naka-get up na. Our dinner na here sa Movenpick. Alright. Let's go, Redmi.
Check natin ay...
Ayan. 60 FPS recording. Good luck.
So, bababa na kami papunta ng lower ground. At, ayun ang forma ni Tito kasi ngayon.
Awarded Titan Top specs in the next few days. And
Thank you very much, Mr. Wayne Lee.
Few days out of your schedule to join us as we launch and celebrate the Redmi Note 15 series. Ensure that you bring your sun protection and stay hydrated throughout the activities.
Iyo, may pomelo na. Pomelo!
Mahal po sa Maynila.
Mahal sa Maynila. Doon may balat. Dito walang balat.
Libre pa.
Meron bang asin? O yung Mang Earl, kumain ka ng pruta. Sabi ng nanay mo. Ayan. Sana matamis. Dagdagan, wala. Uy, loko to, wala. Ayoko.
Biglang yun eh. Soda water. Soda water lang. Jollibee.
Andiyan ang Jollibee.
Sabi nila Trish.
Jollibee? Ah, event?
Shop na po daw. Walang...
In the beautiful night here sa Movenpick. Ayan. Kasi bukas 6:30 pa kami gigising.
Hopefully. And then, after that, kuya kayo vlogger ka?
May vlogger.
May vlogger na naman.
May vlogger sa elevator. Ay, daming vlogger, oh. Daming vlogger. Okay, this is the breakfast is in here. Yung mga vloggers, oh! Oh,
Sir.
vloggers.
Masyadong maraming BYO. Dapat BYO na lang.
That's number 2. Sir, Mactan Shrine and the Lapu-Lapu Monument with his Lapu-Lapu Sajida.
Lahat ng TikTok ng Merc pinapanood dito.
Train Express ah.
Ito. Merong global premiere dito ng TikTok ni Mike Su. Tsaka yung snoring ni Ryan. Sabay pa nagpe-playback eh.
In reality, my dear brothers and sisters, ikaw dawa, gusto ka 1 + 1 = 3. Kay ganahan ta, mo insistir kita na mao ka na yung sakto. We are so entitled sometimes of our own opinion. Usahay, taganahan, mahasol. Nganong magsanina man mi og tarong? Kung ako isampi, ako
nga makapahimuot ko.
Auditory. Ng San Pedro.
Sir, anong ginagawa mo dyan, sir?
Vlogger po ako, vlogger.
Spider-Man, oh.
Spider na.
Spider-Man?
Sino yan, sir?
Spider-Ham.
Sino yan, sir?
Si Spider-Man po yan. Si Miles,
Spider-Ham.
si Miles Corrales.
Sir, anong gamit mong phone, sir?
I'm using the Redmi Note 15.
Ayos. Anong color, sir?
This is colored purple.
Okay.
Tinanggal ko. Okay, go.
Joyce.
Grabe yung usapan, 9 o'clock dumating, 11:30.
Celebrity talaga oh.
Hindi mo alam kung si Magellan. We're here sa shrine. Ayan. Historical place daw to. Ilang beses ako nakapunta rito, parang ngayon lang ako nakalapit. Naghanap ako ng kwek-kwek eh. Pero ang ganda naman dito pag close up. Oh. Uy, nice. Ang ganda. Usually sa labas ako palagi eh. Kala mo sa Japan tayo eh, no?
Sino yan?
Sino yun? Kumakain tayo ng moron.
Grabe ni Kit Hart.
Sarap.
Pero kasi... Yan yung vlogger of the year. Hashtag. Vlogger monster. Rising P-pop star yan si Andy.
Masaya tayo lahat eh. Walang nagdadram.
Uy. Grabe.
Ito, pasok.
Ang kanin siya kay Nazari. Nagpahinga.
Yan. Subscribe. Subscribe to me.
Here you go. Thank you.
Don't forget the hashtag.
Hi, oh. Hey, ma'am. Hey, ma'am. Back sa hotel. Tanong, magsuswimming, matutulog, o
Swimming sa bed.
swimming sa bed? Yes, correct. Alright, logging in for the Redmi Note 15 Philippine launch event. Here's the Movenpick. Bababa na lang ako mag-isa. Si Earth ay sumakit yung chan. And mauna na muna ako. Exciting. SB19 daw mamaya na dun eh. So malalaman natin yan mamaya. Here's my get up. My katsa kimono. Suot ko. Yun! Grabe. Kawawa naman yung phone. May insurance ba yan? Meron. Kaya nahulog na, tabasa, and still okay. It's operating smoothly. Redmi Note 15. Alright. Ay! Grabe, nakakatakot naman yun. Grabe, nakakatakot to. Ginogolf namin yung Redmi Note 15. Still alive. Ano tawag dyan? Media? Smart media glasses from Xiaomi. So, paano ko marinig? Kailangan ko pa siyang i-pair. Nakuha ba to? Ako na sa Spotify ko. And I can hear the music. Okay na rin din. Tsaka yung glasses niya.
Welcome to the Redmi Note 15 series launch. My name is Tina Fabregas and it's my honor to be your host this evening. It comes in 5 iconic new devices for everyone to have a perfect match.
Make sure that the call sounds very clear. And beyond sound clarity,
Welcome to the program. But before we start, patiin na naman ang aking mga viewers on our live stream.
Good evening po sa inyo lahat ng mga SB19. Thank you for having us here. Muli ako si Pablo.
Nagabiso ko na ako si Ken.
I'm Justin. Hi everyone, my name is Tel. And I'm Josh.
Coffee mushroom.
From the opening dance number, we had care packages in our room.
Thank you, Xiaomi
We did island
Philippines.
hopping, the city tour. We had SB19 here tonight. Thank Please come to the stage, number 8.
Raffle na.
I'll take it. Yes.
Number 54.
Check natin itong tablet. Thank you.
May nagpa-raffle, may parang dun eh, kilalang streamer. Sabi niya, binuyo siya na
Bye-bye, Cebu! Woohoo! Woo! Woo! Cebu! Woo! I love Cebu! Woo! I love Cebu! Bye, Pamahal!
Seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. For passengers with onward international flights on Cebu Pacific, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall.